KTM Duke 790. Now you see it up close. It's 799 cubic centimeters engine. In the Belgium configuration 95 brake horsepower. In other countries you can map that at 105, like in the Husqvarna 801. Like in the CFMoto, it produces also 105 in an 800 NK. But in mine 95, it's enough. It's enough horsepower, considering it's 189 kilograms wet weight. So it's a joy to ride this. Seat height 825. I'm 172 centimeters or 5 foot 8, excuse me, with an inseam of 31. So 810, that look like this. So, but we can talk all day. We need to ride. So we're on our bike. And I take you for a little tour. It's better to ride than to stand still, because it's a hot day. Last days it was a lot warmer, but it was dry. And today it's maybe a little bit colder. But the moisture in the air makes it feel much warmer. I like the sound of this engine. Two in line, 270-degree crank, makes a nice sound. No, I use a DJI camera, the Action 6. With the DJI, it's now in connection with my phone. It's easy to ride. A little river, the Zenne. There are much cyclists passing by, so we always have to be cautious here. Now, I hope the traffic gets a little bit more dynamic, like this. Stewardess. And keep in pace with the speed limit. So, my bike don't have adjustable front forks, no Brembos, just the regular KTM brakes, but they are sufficient. They give me a good feel. And that's all you want from your brakes. ...189 kilograms wet weight. Weight situated low in the bike, so it really handles well. It felt really light and nimble. And it had lots of character. The bob 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 bob, I love it. We don't follow the masses, we take our own road. And it starts raining. Why ride a naked bike? Well, because naked bikes, even going slow, they are fun to ride. You feel much faster the speed you are going. You're less covered. Yeah. For long travels, not ideal, but for the trips I normally do, it's sufficient. Even with half the horsepower, like I'm riding now, in between the cars, it would be enough. But you know, I told it before, it's also fun to have enough horsepower. Some 500 cc's the ADV bikes. I find them less appealing because they are just a little bit short on power. Quick shifter. The quick shifter, in the beginning it was rather harsh. You need to be convincing, but the more I ride, the better it gets. So I guess sometimes a little bit patience is on its place. Excuse me, but my screen is fogging. Nope. My other hand, it's easy. It's the way and we're on the move. Mannequin. Wind noise here, and the rest of this it's a highway run, so I'm gonna leave you. If you like these videos and you want to see more tests and demos, you can like, share, subscribe. Be safe, but have fun, and I see you next